My name is Caleb Crothers and we are in Cecil County, Maryland. We are at Long Green Farms. Long Green Farms is an 8th generation dairy here in Cecil County. We milk 150 cows and we farm about 560 acres.
Long Green Farms has been an operational dairy for over 265 years. So sustainability is a core focus. I don't think you have the opportunity to farm the same piece of ground for 265 years if you're not making intentional efforts to conserve and preserve the environment. We use the McLanahan system to recycle our sand, and we're in the process of installing a methane digester with the ultimate goal is to eliminate our electrical expenses by using our manure to create energy. We'll place the energy on the grid and we'll eliminate our electrical expenses for the farm and also have some left over for community consumption. The McLanahan system was essential for us to be able to move forward with the digester project. We bed all of our cows with sand and the sand cannot go into the digester. So the first step in the process of thinking about the digester project as a whole was to be able to remove the sand. So the system is essential for operation. The digester would not exist if we weren't able to remove the sand, or we'd have to move away from sand bedding, and that's not really a choice that we wanted to make for our farm.
We estimate that we go through between 800 and 900 tons of sand per year. And so with a minimum 90% reclamation expectation from McLanahan, we thought that it was the best option for reclaiming our sand. We didn't feel like there was anybody else that could compete on the mechanical side other than McLanahan. So far, the most beneficial part of SMS12 is the pile of sand that's standing behind us that we don't have to dig out next fall. Before the McLanahan system, we pushed it in the manure pit and we spent the end of the year doing the worst job on the farm, which was digging all that sand back out. By the time we pump our storage out and get a payloader in and multiple spreaders come in and the manpower that we need combined with the right conditions to actually do it, it's a challenge. So I'm super excited about not spending the end of my year stressing or fighting to get that job done. The SMS12 is helping us to meet our future goals in terms of our next project. We are installing a digester behind us right now. In order for that to work, this machine has to function within its specs. It has to. So we are heavily relying on this to get the phase 2 running, which is our digester. So it will fail if this machine fails. So we have a lot of faith that McLanahan won't let that happen.